Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the e-classes now. Today we'll do geography, red and yellow soil. And in our next class we'll talk about laterite soil. So the title of the chapter is Resources and Development. So we have talked about soil as resource. Why soil is called resource we have learned, and classification of soils we have also learned about alluvial soil, black soil. Now today we will talk about red soil and yellow soil. So red and yellow soil, where it is found in our country and its composition we will talk about. Red soil forms on crystalline means very hard, igneous rocks. Igneous means the lava rocks. In areas of low rainfall. In southern India, in certain parts of southern India, there is very low rainfall, semi-arid regions. Here, the hard crystalline rock, igneous rock, it withers and forms the soil. So, red soils are found where they are found in our country. Red soils are found in eastern and southern part. Eastern towards the east and towards the south. Eastern and southern part of the Deccan Plateau. Not in Arunachal Pradesh. We are not talking about eastern part of our country. Southeastern part and southern part of Deccan Plateau region. Number 3, yellow and red soils are also found in Odisha, Chhattisgarh. Red soils and yellow soils are also found in Odisha, Chhattisgarh and south of Middle Ganga Plain. This is the Ganga Plain. The Middle Ganga Plain towards the south, towards the Deccan Plateau side, you will find red soil and yellow soil there also. Now here, number 4, these soils develop reddish color. Why these soils have red color? So it is because of the iron content. So these soils develop reddish color due to diffusion. Diffusion means to mix, diffusion of iron in crystalline rocks. These crystalline rocks, here the iron content is mixed. Diffusion of iron in crystalline rocks and metamorphic rocks. So igneous rock, metamorphic rock we have learned in your previous classes. So we don't have to explain about metamorphic and igneous rocks. So we are not here for that. We are here about how the soils are formed. So due to the iron content in this after diffusion of iron in the crystalline hard rock, igneous rock, the soils or the weathering of these rocks forms the sand, and later on what happens, this sand mixes with the humus and so on, it forms the soil and it develops reddish color. So now number 5, it looks yellow when it occurs in a hydrated form. So the same red color when it is in a hydrated form, it looks yellow, because the color changes when it is hydrated or when it is in a dry form. Dry form it looks yellow, but in a hydrated form it looks yellow. So these are the factors, or these are the contents or compositions about red soil and yellow soil. Now in our next class we will talk about laterite soil, how it is formed and where in which areas of our country laterite soils are found and whether it is suitable for growing crops or not. We'll talk about that. So that's all for today, and we'll meet in the next class and do our lessons further. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video. We will meet in the next class. Stay safe and do your studies regularly. That's all.